everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you real mail how to send a parcel. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your real mail app, and then once you're there, be sure to be logged into your account as well if you have an account, or just create a new one if you don't have it. And now once you're logged into your account, here what you need to do is select the option that says send parcel. This will take you to the process of paying for postage and arranging your parcel delivery. Enter the parcel details like size and weight. If needed, the app will choose the correct size or give recommendation based on weight. Then choose your delivery service. Select from the available royal mail delivery service, that is first class, second class, or special delivery guaranteed for fast UK delivery, international standard, international tracked and signed, or other international options if sending abroad. Then enter the recipient address. Enter the recipient's full name, address and postcode. Ensure the address is complete and clear. Then after entering the address and selecting the service, you can pay for the postage via the app. The app will show you the price based on your parcel size, weight and destination. Then print the postage label once the payment is confirmed. Then drop off or arrange collection. You can also choose to drop off your parcel at the post office or drop box, or schedule a collection directly from your address. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.